The NCOP celebrates local government this week under the theme Ensuring a Capable and Financially Sound Municipalities. The minister says COVID-19 has had an effect on the country and municipalities who are at the coalface of service delivery. She says we must remember the virus does not move, but it's people who move it.
Our individual and collective actions will determine whether we will experience a second surge and how that second wave will be. Experience in other countries like Spain and France show us that actually their second wave has been more severe than the first one. So let's try and do everything to avoid that happening here in South Africa.
The minister has reiterated that the virus has increased poverty, inequality and unemployment. This has also affected the economy. Municipalities are also taking a beating due to a reduced tax base. The minister has called on Parliament to review the division of revenue framework in the short term to support municipalities.
Earlier in the 2008-2009, there were 85 such municipalities which were deemed financially unviable because they relied mainly on the equitable share without being able to raise their own revenue, and their population poor, unemployed, and limited investments in the area. But those have now increased to about 125. And I think the sooner we really look at how we're going to address this, the better.
The minister is also calling for an end to the toxic relationship between politicians and administrators.
Local government has had lots of challenges. One, sometimes there is an inappropriate and sometimes toxic relationship between the political and the administrative realms. Sometimes there is also a mix of political, business, administration, which is not helpful. At times there is political fighting also, and sometimes we also see some local government members losing their moral compass, and we see corruption, thus eroding the trust between government and citizens.
Dlamini-Zuma is also calling for an end to nepotism, financial mismanagement, and procurement irregularities as this affects service delivery. Philip, SABC News, Parliament.